Hey, my lovely family. Guess who's back? I am back. I am back. It's been a while. Sorry. I promised I was going to wait, up to 2 weeks, but, life happens. So here I am. I'm back. And I brought you something very delicious, something mouth-watering, something you will so much love, and it doesn't even take, a lot of preparations for you to enjoy your delicious chicken. I've got for you some peri peri chicken. So, hello to my returning subscribers and those who have not yet subscribed, who will be subscribing soon. I hope after watching this, you will join the family. Please waste no more time. Subscribe and join us, okay? So let's dive into our recipe for today. Today I've got some peri peri chicken. Have you tried Nando's chicken before? This one is better, tastier, more delicious than Nando's chicken. You can quote me anywhere. So yes, first of all, we're going to prep the chicken. As you can see, I've just cut the chicken in open so that can rub the marinade and it can penetrate. And now I'm just trying to put some inside some holes so that the marinade can penetrate, and so when you eat it, you can really taste the sauce, the peri peri sauce all over it. So to start, I'm just going to prime this with some black pepper and seasoning powder, rub it all over, and I'm going to keep it for some minutes to rest. That's exactly what you see me doing here. So after that, I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes. Set that aside. We're gonna prepare the marinade, and with this we're gonna add some 6 chili peppers, Mexican Serrano chillies. Then we're gonna add some lemon zest.
Let me introduce Big Piano on the beat.
Garlic. One chopped onion, So moving on, we're gonna sear this chicken. This ensures that the chicken is very flavorful, and it caramelizes the skin. It takes the flavor to another whole new level. I advise you anytime you're doing it's even for steak as well. It's lovely for steak as well. It's nice to sear your chicken, whatever your meat, whatever it is. And I tell you, if you try it, you're gonna really, really love it. Can you see that beautiful look? It's definitely gonna taste amazing the way it's looking. Keep watching. So once that is done, I'm gonna transfer it back to the bowl. I'm gonna give it another rub with the leftover marinade before putting it in the oven to cook. Keep watching. So after 20 minutes, I'm gonna put it back into the oven for another 50 minutes. This time we're not gonna cover it, just gonna let it roast this time. And here we are. There's the chicken already ready. It's ready. It's ready. At this time my kids were dancing around me. They couldn't wait. I'm like, mommy, I can't wait to eat. I'm hungry, and so I had to beg them, let me finish, please. Can you just let me finish before you eat the chicken? I'll tell you guys, this chicken was so mouth-watering. It was so juicy. It was so tender, so delicious. I tell you. Oh, can you see how well cooked? How juicy, how soft, how mouth-watering it looks. So that's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now. Love you. Bye.